Hello, this is Mathing 101. My name is Jervis, and you can call me Miss Jervis or Jojo, whatever you like between these two. Not Jovi. Don't call me Jovi. Call me Jervis or Jojo. Not Jovic. Jervis or Jojo. Or you can call me Jervis or Jojo. Whatever you want. Today we're gonna go on to study about algebra. So this class is algebra class, and we're gonna talk about variables. So what is variable? Variables are used to simplify numerical expression and evaluate algebraic expressions. So imagine you're going to the shop to borrow a book, but the book has the amount of $5. How do you like it? This or this? Whatever you choose between these two. So you like whatever you choose. So the book amount to borrow a book is $5. I think I'm gonna go with this. $5, €5, £5, whatever is like your amount, the one you should like, because I know some people don't have dollars, but you like dollars. So choose something which is greater. Okay. This book has um amount to borrow it is $5. But for you to pay for this book, you have to pay it in hours. So let's say hours is equals to H, and the amount is equals to 5. Let's take out the dollar. So the amount is 5 and the hours is equals to H. So you need to find the amount of time that you're gonna be charged to lend this book. It can be 1, 2, or 3, 4, to whatever hours you're gonna read this book. Imagine you're a famous novel. You like to read a novel, or you like to read books, self-improvement books, or you any books you like to read about plants, all about insects, whatever books you wanna borrow. So you need to find the amount of the rental charge. Let's say this amount, we call it rental charge, and is equals to the amount of the book to borrow per hour, and times the hours which you have used. For example, you are reading this book for maybe 3 hours. So the amount is 5 and the hours is 3. So the rental charge will be, let's call the rental charge C. So C is going to be 5 times 3, which is 15. So this is gonna be your charge in dollars. But since we are learning about algebra has expression. That's why I say the hours is equals to H. So imagine the person, you don't know how many hours the person has learned this book. So we are going to put the algebraic expression to be 5 times the hours. So we can put it in the nation of dot donation. If you have learned this in primary school, secondary schools, it's gonna be a dot notation. So C, which is the rental charge, will be 5 dot H, which can be written 5H. So H is gonna be the hours spent to read this book. So this, in general, this one is the variable expression, and this is the value, this is the variable. Ta-da! This is the algebra, one of the algebra expression. There are so many algebra expressions, as I said in the last video. So in algebra, we can have expression which can replace another expression. So for example, this is kind of a complex expression for people who do not know the things like this. So I'm going to like making sure this expression is as simple as possible. So the first example, for example, when we use a substitute, it's going to be like, for example, a is equals to 5, and then you need to find this expression, maybe 1 Roman is equals to 7a, and b is equals to 3a plus 2. I mean, maybe let's put it to be 2. So 1, this is the substitution. We are using, this is a substitution example. As I said before, that algebra can be used, you can use to replace another. So that is substitution. So 7a, you know that a is equals to 5, so 7, and there is a dot here as a multiplication, so it's going to be dot 5, which is multiplication. So 7 times 5, that is 35. And then number 2, let's go to, I hope you've understand the first example. So I was talking about 7 times a. A is equals to, we see in this expression of equal, means that whatever the value of a is going to be 5. That's what it means. That's what it means, equal. And then the next question we have, that is a. 3 times a, there's a dot here, plus 2 is equals to 3 times 5 plus 2, which is equals to 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2, which is equals to 17. So that is substitution equation. That's what I meant you can use to replace another expression. So this is the one of a algebraic expression, and then this is other algebraic expression. There's multiplication here, and here there's multiplication plus addition.